Have you ever opened ChatGPT and nothing happens? No reply, just silence. You reload, still nothing. Panic. Don't worry. Even ChatGPT needs a nap sometimes. Here's what you can do if ChatGPT stops working. Step 1. Check if it's down for everyone, or just you. Step 2. Try a different browser. Sometimes the browser you're using just bugs out. Open Firefox, Chrome, or Safari and try again. Fixed? Step 3. Clear your cookies. Yes, even the digital kind. Head to your browser settings and give it a cleanup. Still not working? Try logging out and logging back in. Simple, but it helps more than you'd think. Or try using ChatGPT on your phone. Sometimes the mobile app works even when the desktop one is sleepy. Still down? It might be on OpenAI's side. And there's only one thing to do. Wait. But hey, why not take the time to touch some grass, read a book, nap in the sun, bake real cookies, or better yet, learn how ChatGPT even works, because when it's back online, you'll appreciate it even more, and so will your fluffy friend. So next time ChatGPT isn't working, don't panic. Just breathe. Even smart bots need coffee breaks. And hey, if you like this video, let us know, because next time we might explain how ChatGPT actually works.